In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide the form title on a Wufoo form using the header parameter in the embed snippet. Whether you're trying to achieve a cleaner look on your website or you simply prefer to remove the form title and description, this guide will show you the straightforward steps to do just that. First, let's talk about why you might want to hide the form title. While Wufoo forms provide a title and description by default, there are occasions when maintaining a minimalistic appearance or ensuring the design seamlessly integrates into your web page becomes necessary. Luckily, Wufoo offers a simple solution for this need. Now, if you're embedding the form onto your website, you'll be working with an embed snippet that Wufoo provides. Typically, when you generate this snippet, it includes a JavaScript embed code. Within this snippet, you'll find various parameters that control different aspects of how your form is displayed. The key parameter we're interested in today is the header parameter. This parameter dictates whether or not the form's title and description are visible when you embed the form. By default, this parameter might not be set to hide, which means the title and description appear as part of the form. Your first task is to locate the JavaScript embed snippet for your form. If you haven't already, navigate to your Wufoo account, select the desired form, and look for the Share or Embed options. Here, you'll be able to obtain the JavaScript embed code for your form. Once you have access to the embed code, open it in a text editor or within the code view on your website's editor. As you scroll through the snippet, look for a section pertaining to the parameters of the form. You should see a variety of settings that have been configured to dictate the form's display settings. The parameter of interest here is the header. Modify it by setting this parameter to hide. To illustrate, your code snippet might read something like header, show, or it may not specify anything regarding the header. To hide the title and description, you should change it to header, hide. Once you've made this change, save your edits and upload or refresh the page where your form is embedded. You should see the form without its title and description, blending smoothly into your site's overall design aesthetics. And there you have it. Hiding the form title using Wufoo's header parameter is a simple yet effective way to customize your forms for a more cohesive website experience. As you experiment with these settings, remember that you can always revert your changes by setting the header parameter back to its original state, should you need to display the title again in the future. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.